Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Log into your Aternos account and open your server page first. Make sure you use the same email and password you registered. Click the Console tab to reveal real-time server logs and command input. Wait up to 10 seconds for the console to fully load before typing any commands. If the server is offline, start it and then reopen console. The interface shows timestamps, log lines, and a text box for command entry at the bottom. Type commands like /give or say directly into the input box at the bottom. Use exact syntax required by your server version and plugins for predictable results. For example, type /give Steve Diamond Sword 1 without extra punctuation or quotes. Press enter to send the command and watch the console confirm execution in a few lines. Avoid long, rapid command bursts and wait 1 to 2 seconds between commands to prevent spam blocks. If a command fails, check the console output for permission errors or syntax hints. Grant OP status or adjust plugin permissions when commands report insufficient permissions. Copy any error lines or stack traces and search the exact text to find fixes quickly. For multi-line commands, paste carefully and execute one line at a time to avoid truncation issues. When restarting plugins or the server, monitor the console for successful startup messages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.